How do you turn off that really annoying thing where Google speaks the search result out loud on your phone? It's frustrating and sometimes embarrassing when you're out and about and your phone starts reading out loud the answer to the thing you've just searched.
Sure, I love chatting. I also love animal facts.
We are going to turn this off together in real time. Here's my phone on screen now, and there are 3 places where we can turn this off. We need to check all 3 of these because different Google searches seem to trigger the speech output on our phones. The first place to look is in the Google app. I didn't even know there's an actual app for Google, so we'll open this up. Then click on your face, which is your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Scroll down to Settings. Click on that, then look for a menu option called Voice. If we click on that, you will see this toggle switch here, Spoken Results. We can turn this on and off just by pressing on it. Let's turn it off. This doesn't fix all the times our phones talk to us though. The next place we need to go is really hidden. Open the Chrome app on your phone, which is the main browser on Android, and go to google.com. This is so sneaky. Tap the 3 dots on the top right hand corner and then scroll down to Desktop Site. We'll tick the box here. And that now reloads the page to make it look like it would on a computer. So the text is really tiny. We're going to have to pinch and zoom on the screen to show the very bottom right hand corner of the page. You can see this really small link to Settings. Tap on that and that brings up this menu. We need to click on Search Settings at the top here. On this page, it's small again, so pinch and zoom to go all the way into the left-hand sidebar, and we will click on Other Settings. And here, under the desktop section, look at this. This is so sneaky. You will see Spoken Answers and a toggle switch. This is why we get the phone reading out answers to our Google searches. We can turn this on and off by clicking on it, so let's toggle this switch to off. Once you've done this, don't forget to tap on the 3 dots on the top right hand corner of the screen again and untick Desktop Site to go back to the normal view on your phone. The final place to look, and I don't know why this isn't connected to anything else, go into Settings on your phone. It's the app with the cog icon, and search Speech Output. On the results, we'll scroll down to Others, and it looks like it's connected to Google Assistant, but I can't find this menu option anywhere. I have only found it through Search Settings. We will click on Speech Output. And here, I've no idea where you'd find this in an app. We have 3 options for how conversational your search and assistant will be: full, brief, and none. Obviously, we want none, so we'll select that. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success.
I love chatting with you.
You have turned off the Google Voice in 3 different places. Let's hope it doesn't come back. Thanks for being awesome by hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it helps others find this video, so thank you. And right here is what YouTube knows you will love watching next.
They say it's politest to stick to 2 subjects: the weather and people's health. Right,